In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nano Banana AI for free, with a focus on creating a stunning cyberpunk edit. Let's dive right in and explore how this cutting-edge technology can help create impressive imagery effortlessly. First, we need to set the stage by opening a web browser. Any browser will do, but for this tutorial, we'll use Google to streamline our journey. Navigate to the Google homepage. If you're unsure, just type Google in the address bar and you should be directed to the right starting point. Once you're at Google, enter Google Gemini into the search bar. Hit enter and you'll be presented with a selection of search results. Scan through them to find the official Google Gemini website link. It might be a few links down, but look for the URL that says geminigoogle.com and click on it. This step will take you to the heart of our creative endeavor. On the Google Gemini site, you'll see several options. Look for the one that says Create Image. The icon might be a banana emoji, making it easy to spot. Click on this option, which will guide us to the interface for crafting our cyberpunk visuals. Once you're on the image creation page, focus your attention on the plus sign icon. This handy feature allows you to upload a photo. Click on it to open your file explorer, where you can choose the image you wish to transform. It's always exciting to see how a regular photo can evolve into a futuristic masterpiece with just a few clicks. Having uploaded your image, the next step is all about creativity and expression. You will be prompted to enter a description or prompt. For this purpose, consider something like a serene yet powerful cyberpunk portrait of a woman illuminated by holographic light and glowing circuitry, blending human emotion with futuristic technology. This unique prompt serves as the blueprint for your image, infusing it with your vision and goals. With everything set, it's time to bring your vision to life. Review your prompt and uploaded image to ensure everything is in order. When you're ready, click on the Submit button. This action signals Nano Banana AI to begin processing your instructions and crafting your personalized cyberpunk wonder. And there you have it. With just a few straightforward steps, you've harnessed the power of Nano Banana AI to create a free and stunning piece of digital art. Whether you're a seasoned digital artist or just exploring, this tool opens up a world of possibilities. I hope you find this tutorial both informative and inspiring. Thank you for joining me on this creative journey today, and I look forward to seeing the incredible art you create.